What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Got His Garage, and thanks for tuning in. On the last Jeep video, we installed the Westin XTS front bumper along with the super winch, and the setup turned out awesome. If you haven't seen that video yet, definitely go check that out in the link shown above. Before we jump into today's install, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps builds like this coming. Alright, today we're continuing to build. We're going to be installing the new Westin XTS Rear Bumper on the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, going over fitment, install steps, and first impressions. Let's get right into it.
Life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Alright, quick rundown on removing the rear bumper. First, you disconnect your wiring harness underneath the driver's side. That's going to be your license plate lights and parking sensors if you have them. Next, you're going to remove the main bumper bolts. You've typically got 2 main bolts per side into the frame rails, usually 18mm. Some models may have 1 or 2 small support bolts underneath, so just do a quick check and remove those if they're there. Once that's done, support the bumper and pull it straight back off the frame rails, and that's it. The bumper's off. Now we're ready to get the new one ready.
Just want this to come out.
Alright, so you gotta gut the old bumper for all the parking sensors like all off-roading machines have. Alright, so you got these 4 little L brackets, and they kind of go to hold the sensors in if you have sensors, which every off-roading machine needs to have rear park aid sensors. Alright, if your Jeep comes with a hitch, you gotta pull these 4 bolts out, 18s, and then we gotta knock these welded nuts off. Alright, we got one quick note on test fitting the bumper. Okay, these hitch receiver bolts right here, these are factory ones that are in here, and these are the ones that they provide you. Way too freaking long. So you can literally just get away with using the factory bolts, which I trust a little bit more anyways. At this point in the video, we just have the bumper slid into the rails just for mock-up purposes for the closeouts. Installing the closeouts is pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, I would not have done it that way.
I thought these were the self-starting drill bits.
They're supposed to be. Look how perfect that hole is, though.
It is a really nice hole.
The closeouts are designed to follow the factory body lines, so position them where they naturally sit against the body. Before drilling, apply masking tape over the drill areas. This helps protect the paint from chips and gives you a good surface to mark your holes. Mark your hole locations through the closeout, then remove it and drill the holes using a 1/4-inch drill bit. Once the holes are drilled, you can reinstall the closeouts and secure them with the supplied hardware. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. Now with the closeouts installed and everything looking good and where we want it to be, we can just go ahead and tighten up all the hardware and complete this install on this Westin XTS rear bumper. Let's go over what we just did today. The Westin XTS rear bumper is built for serious protection and a clean, aggressive look. It's made from a high-strength 7-gauge steel with a textured black powder coat and a corrosion-resistant base coat for a long-term durability. It is also backed by a 3-year warranty. It's packed with useful features like integrated recovery shackle mounts, rock light mounting points, off-road jack points, and built-in corner steps. It keeps your factory hitch usable, is parking sensor compatible, and includes a rear camera relocation hardware. One thing to be aware of, for the closeout, we did have to drill 4 holes for the install. And it also does not come with a license plate relocation bracket, so we had to source one separately off Amazon. So once again, a huge thank you to Westin for sending us over the entire XTS kit along with the super winch. Now that the install videos are done, keep an eye out. We've got some off-roading videos coming soon putting this machine to use. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on what's coming next.